SHOTTY Productions.
In the eye of the storm, I see you calm and kind, holding steady in the chaos, with a heart that won't unwind. You stand tall through the thunder, with courage in your eyes, a beacon in the darkness, beneath the swirling skies. Oh, the winds may change, the tides may rise, but your spirit won't be broken under these cloudy skies. Jamaica will find the light through shadows cast away. Together we'll be strong as the clouds begin to sway. Jamaica, you are the sun after the rain. With your strength we'll rebuild through the heartache and the pain. In whispered calm, your gentle voice leads us on, guiding us through nights that seem so long. Your kindness like a lighthouse, casting its glow, reminds us of peace in the turmoil we know. Though tempests try to tear us down, we will not break. With your steadfast hope, we'll find our way and stay. Jamaica will find the light through shadows cast away. Together we'll be strong as the clouds begin to sway. Jamaica, you are the sun after the rain. With your strength we'll rebuild through the heartache and the pain. Through windswept dreams and broken days, we'll rise up with you in the brighter rays. We'll dance again in the warmth of your grace, recovering the calm of our sacred place. Jamaica will find the light through shadows cast away. Together we'll be strong as the clouds begin to sway. Jamaica, you are the sun.